Don't apply anywhere else kasi hindi ka matatanggap kung ganyan ka. Okay, good day. How are you?
Good day, ma'am. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, let's start. What's your name?
I'm Jerry Ventura, applying for the position of manager in your Peaceful Store restaurant.
And age?
23.
Which is more important, the customer or the employee?
I think
More important, the customer or the employee?
what's again, ma'am?
I said which is more important, the customer or the employee?
Okay, your question, ma'am. Which is more important, customer or employer, right?
Yes. What's taking you so long?
Ma'am, I believe that neither is inherently more important because it depends on the context. In short-term survival, the customer is more important, but in long-term success, employees
Mr.
are key for
Ventura,
sustainable. Yes,
wait a minute. Ano yung lingon-lingon mo dyan? May
uh,
binabasa ka ba?
wala naman po, ma'am.
You're using
None, ma'am.
AI?
None, ma'am. I would
Do you think this is a joke?
I would choose
Shame on you, Mr. Ventura.
more employment.
Don't apply anywhere else kasi hindi ka matatanggap kung ganyan ka.